A.
Thank you. All right, the lady under baby butt, what's your real name? The lady wearing the white t-shirt, sunflowers, says baby butt. What's your name? Yes.
Asia. I don't know why that's on there.
All right, what's your real name?
Asia Way.
Being charged with count 1, criminal sexual conduct, 3rd degree. SOR notice. Today is date and time. Probable cause. Appearances, please.
Morning, Kirsten Kelly on behalf of the people, P83952.
And Judge, good morning to you and to your staff. Good morning. Michael Woodyard. My P number is 64612. I'm a staff attorney at Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, and we represent Mr. Ingram. He's on the call here. Mr. Ingram, you need to unmute your device there and then say good morning and say your name, please.
Good morning. My name is Malik Ingram.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Woodyard?
Judge, Ms. Kelly sent me a link to some evidence this morning. I haven't had a chance to see it, but I presume it is everything to which I'm entitled. We'd like to schedule this for a preliminary examination in person, and I'd also like the opportunity to speak with you about Mr. Ingram's bond.
How's December 15th at 11:30?
A week from today at 11:30, that's perfect with me.
That works for the people, Your Honor.
Okay, December 15th at 11:30. That's the bond.
Judge, Mr. Ingram is now being held on a $75,000 10% bond. It appears to me that Mr. Ingram has no prior contact with the criminal legal system. I will indicate as well, just simply for the purpose of today's bond motion, that the allegation is that Mr. Ingram had sexual conduct with a woman who was too intoxicated to consent. Kind of in a nutshell, I think those are the allegations. I think on its face, Judge, the evidence of guilt is by no means manifest. In terms of his likelihood to return, Mr. Ingram has lived in the city all his life, in the city of Detroit. He's lived for the past 10 years with his mother at the Cadillac Square Apartments. He was last employed about a month ago as Cadillac Square porter and maintenance and things like that. He's currently not sure if he has a job. His mom has had a couple of strokes and he provides care for her. So he's really simply a homebody. He has a high school diploma. He's taken a couple semesters of college at Baker College. The bond of $75,000, 10% simply, it doesn't appear to us to be appropriate. We would ask if the court would see its way to it for a personal bond with a GPS tether. Mr. Ingram indicates he intends to contest these allegations vigorously and will always show up at court.
Ms. Kelly?
Your Honor, the people have extreme concerns over Mr. Ingram. I understand that this might be the first charge that he has, but based on all of the evidence that the people have, and I believe what Mr. Woodyard will soon see in his interrogation video, this is not the first time that Mr. Ingram has done something like this. He has stated to police that he would leave his apartment, find drunk women on the street, and bring them back to his mom's apartment. To me, that sounds like a danger to the community and is not somebody that should be released on a personal bond. I would ask that it remain in place. Your Honor, it's also my understanding that when police had gone to the apartment a couple times, he was not there. His mom would say, well, we'll give him notification that you've came. The day that they went to arrest him, they had gotten a call that he had just gone upstairs. Police go up to the mom's apartment. She says son is not there. He is going down a back flight of stairs and is caught at the bottom of those stairs. I believe that that shows that there's flight risk in this case, and his appearance would be an issue. So we ask that the bond remain in place. Thank you.
Your Honor, can I say something?
No, hang on, Mr. Ingram.
Are you employed, sir?
Sir, I have family helping me out right now. I have a son.
That's a no. You're not employed?
No, sir, not currently.
How old are you?
28 years old.
Why aren't you employed?
I was working for the building. They kind of got me on the reserve list. They let me go because the person I was replacing came back. I've been currently looking for.
I'll ask it again because you didn't answer my question. I said, why aren't you employed?
I've been looking for a job, and if they confiscated all my stuff, they can see I've been putting in many job applications.
Where are you looking for a job?
Amazon, wherever I can on Indeed. When I'm not looking for a job, I'm taking care of my mom, helping her heal, helping myself heal because I have a heart problem. I try not to put too much stress on myself, but this is totally not in my character, Your Honor.
Mr. Ingram.
Working a job is too stressful, huh?
No, I said in the meantime, I've been taking care of my mom and myself. I have a health condition. I have a heart problem of some sort, and I've just been trying to heal. And I take care of my
Trial services provide recommendation. We'll take a longer look at it, Mr. Ingram.
Excuse me?
Judge, do you imagine that report will be prepared by the 15th? Hopefully it will.
I think so. They've been
Okay.
pretty good about it.
Your
What time
Honor,
do you want us?
I'm not a flight risk at all. I'm very forthcoming. I have no problem with coming to court. I never had a problem any other time with coming to court. I'm not going nowhere. I want to prove myself innocent.
Okay, so we'll see you December 15th at 11:30.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Continue.
Mr. Ingram, I'm going to be over to visit with you. Okay.
Okay, I didn't hear anything you said. I don't know what's the verdict.
I said December 15th at 11:30. I'm referring your matter to pretrial services for bond recommendation. On the 15th, if need be, they will submit a report to the court and suggest what your bond should be.
Your Honor,
Have a good day.
okay.
We're all set, Mr. Ingram. I'll be over to visit you. Okay.
When?
If not later today, then on Saturday, tomorrow.
Right, see you later.
Okay.
The baby butt